Have you ever been looking for a new place to camp, but all the places you can find don't have any reviews? I know your pain. I've decided to fix that problem by going to places that don't have any reviews so that I can review them. The first place we're gonna go is this island in the middle of a currently frozen lake. We're gonna go out there, spend the night, and then see what the experience is like. When am I gonna start this, do you ask? Well, how about today? We're gonna be spending a night on an island in the middle of this frozen lake, and then leaving a review on Google so I can start this review process. It's about a mile out to the lake, and we only have so much daylight, so we better get going. Let's go. So far on these trips, it's really just been me and Michelle, but today we brought another friend of ours. His name is Tanner. Tanner loves the outdoors and wanted to come winter camping with us, so we decided to drag him along and help us out with this review. Well, now you know Tanner, and I think it's time for us to get set up. First notable thing about this site is definitely the rocks. Those ones, right? Those rocks. They're pretty cool. They're like big and probably are igneous. Aesthetically, they're definitely pretty good. This is so stupid. Definitely a positive for this island. The rocks, they rock. Looks like we're all set up. Everybody got their hammock spot, and we're gonna get some firewood to get the fire stuff ready so we can cook, which is a good thing. We gotta get water after that too. That should be kind of interesting. This is Tanner's hammock setup, and it has this, what is it? What do you call it? Wind?
It's a windsock.
A windsock.
Windsock.
To keep the wind off him.
It's an entry hole for getting in and out of.
Looks a lot more like an exit hole to me. I've tried this once before. I tested it out so that I wouldn't be totally unsure of how to do it today, but I'm gonna use an axe and chop through the ice, and it's gonna take the ice is making noises. It's gonna take me a long time, but that's fine. That's great. I have time. I've got nothing but time. Okay. Tanner's helping me.
That's more than a foot.
Yeah,
I would say.
it's pretty deep. There's water. Good job, Michelle. What kind of water would you call that?
Lake water.
Oh, I was hoping you would say ice water.
Oh, ice water.
On the way up here, Tanner bought a ice fishing pole from a gas station, and the ice, when we chopped through it for water, was so thick we thought we might be able to do it for ice fishing too. Not happening. Definitely not happening. But there's a ton of people ice fishing out here actually, so we were able to bum a hole off some people when they left, and then Tanner's gonna catch a fish for sure. 100%. I believe in Tanner.
100%.
100%. Tanner's gonna do it. So, you know, You know how we're camping on an island? More like an Iceland. Cause the Hey Michelle, you know how we're camping on an island? Yeah. More like a Iceland. Hey Tanner.
Yeah.
You know how we're staying on an island?
Yeah.
More like an Iceland.
Yeah. Wow.
If you're not using birch bark as a fire starter, what are you doing with your life? That was one try. Sorry, I didn't mean to offend anybody. But you should try it. Tanner's making bread on a stick.
Bread on a stick.
You might call it a bread stick. Hi, I'd like to welcome you to my new segment called Jesse Doesn't Want to Cook Something Very Hard, so we're just gonna make it happen. Cooking show!
Okay, all right.
Hey,
No
nothing
problem.
wrong with taking it easy.
Need a pan.
I'm gonna start with some oil in the pan. Bang! Asparagus. Because I wanna, wow, there's not any room in this pan anymore. I wanna be a big strong boy, so I'm gonna eat my vegetables. Alright, we'll start with 4 in there. There's room for 4. Look at that. We got room for everybody. Seasoning. Don't be shy. And then we just throw it on the fire. Bang. What is that?
It's a cheese biscuit.
It's a little...
It looks like a little white turd.
Yes.
Leave me alone.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is a finished product. Yeah. Pardon my reach. Look at that. Here we go. The taste test. Good job. Oh wow. Yeah, they're like perfect. That's really good. There you go. Sometimes you shouldn't try hard. I love this asparagus. It's good in there.
Honestly, it's not. I don't really have to fold anything. Stuff other than my sleeping bag.
It's been a pretty good day. Got a lot of good information for that review. Feeling pretty well informed. And I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired. So, you know, good night. See you in the morning. Good morning. It was a cold night, that's for sure. Down to about like 7 degrees or something. So it was supposed to be. Pushing the comfort levels of the setup, the gear, but made it through. It was fine. We got a little fire going and we're gonna get some breakfast happening. Tanner, what's been your favorite piece of gear this weekend?
This tongs right here. Probably the best money I've ever spent. It's like an eating tool. You can use it as a spoon. It's a fork. One-handed.
Same with a regular fork and spoon.
No.
You use 2 hands with a fork.
All right, we're gonna get packed up pretty soon here, and then we're gonna head out and check out one more spot, and then I'll be ready for my final review. First one, very exciting times. At the spot we were at, we also had access to this beautiful pit toilet. Some people call these a thunderbox. Thunderbox! Don't ask me why, though. You'll have to find out for yourself. Looked pretty good, solid construction, although a little bit of frost around the rim. Not sure how good that would feel. But luckily, there was a little friend as well to keep you company, this spider guy, in case you were out there at night and got kind of scared. He'd be there for you. The last location that we ended up checking out was this really cool spillway. All the water that's generated out of the spillway, which was on the lake that we were staying at, would come through this natural rock formation, kind of flow down these waterfall-y sections. Really, really cool. I love spots like this where the water and the rock get to interact, flowing water, and hopping over rocks over the stream. One of my favorite things to do. But anyway, that's really going to wrap up our trip here, and I think I'm ready to finally write my review. No, I haven't done it yet. I can do it right now. Wait. It already has 2 reviews. Yeah, it already has 2 reviews.